Wine, like most liquids, is easily removed from FibreGuard fabrics. Using a white paper towel, gently absorb the excess wine. A fresh wine stain will disappear almost instantly. But to be sure, remove any remaining wine by applying plenty of water directly to the stain, then blot with a white paper towel. Repeat this process until all traces of wine are removed. For removal of a dry wine stain, please adapt the process as explained in our ketchup demonstration movie, including use of a microfiber cloth. Allow the fabric to dry naturally to see the final result.